Thinking about buying a home but worried about neighborhood safety? Whether you're moving into a new area or just want to stay informed, checking crime reports is an essential step. In this video, we'll walk you through how to use communitycrimemaps.com to research crime activity in your area. Stay tuned and let's dive in. First, let's head over to communitycrimemaps.com. This free online tool allows you to search crime data by location, helping you make informed decisions about where to live. Once the site loads, you'll see a map interface. The first thing we want to do is filter our search to get the most relevant data. That brings us to our next step. By default, the map shows a broad range of crime data, but we need to narrow it down. Click on the filter button to refine the results. For this search, we'll set the time frame to the last 6 months. This gives us a recent view of crime trends without overwhelming us with old data. Next, we'll select all incidents to display everything from minor offenses to serious crimes. Once applied, the map updates instantly with the crime markers. Now let's search for a certain address. For today's example, we'll use a property located on Collinwood in Akron, Ohio. Simply type the address into the search bar and hit enter. The map automatically zooms into that location, displaying crime reports in the surrounding area. This is where things get interesting. You'll notice different colored icons representing various types of incidents. Let's take a closer look. Each icon on the map represents a different type of crime. Clicking on an icon brings up a detailed incident report, including the crime type, the date of incident, and the location. Now let's check out some examples near our search property. Here's a menacing report. This could indicate threats or harassment. Over here, we have a car theft, which is useful to know for anyone parking outside. And here's an aggravated assault, a more serious offense. By reviewing these reports, you can get a clear picture of what's happening in the neighborhood. One great feature of communitycrimemaps.com is the ability to zoom in and out to analyze different levels of crime data. Zoom in to focus on a particular street or intersection. Zoom out to see the trends across a larger neighborhood or city. This is helpful if you want to compare crime rates between different areas before making a home buying decision. You can also check if incidents are clustered in specific zones, which might indicate high crime pockets. And that's it. CommunityCrimemaps.com is a powerful tool for home buyers and renters looking to stay informed about neighborhood safety. Always check crime reports before buying or renting a home, use filters to get the most relevant data, and analyze specific incidents to understand local crimes. If you're ready to find the perfect home in a safe neighborhood, reach out to Great Move Realty. We're here to help. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home buying tips. Thanks.